Struggling to make money online but don't have a dime to invest? Let me show you how to start dropshipping in 2025, even if you're broke. No paid ads, no inventory, no tech skills needed. Just your phone, your hustle, and this step-by-step plan. Whether you're a complete beginner or you've tried before and failed, this guide is for you. Let's get into it. Step 1. Understand what dropshipping really is. Let's break it down. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without ever touching the inventory. When a customer places an order, you forward it to your supplier and they ship it directly to the buyer. You keep the profit in between. No storage, no shipping, no upfront inventory cost. You're basically the middleman, but a smart one. Step 2. Pick a niche that actually works in 2025. Now, don't just sell random stuff. Pick a niche, something specific that people are passionate about. For 2025, hot niches include eco-friendly home products, pet accessories, fitness gear for small spaces, AI-themed gadgets, digital lifestyle tools like phone stands or webcam covers. Here's a trick. Use TikTok or Instagram to check what products are trending. Search TikTok made me buy it and see what people are raving about. Step 3. Find winning products for free. You don't need to pay for spy tools. Here are 3 free ways to find products that are already selling. 1. TikTok Creative Center. Filter by e-commerce ads and see what's working. 2. AliExpress Dropshipping Center. Free to use if you have an account. 3. Amazon's Movers and Shakers. See products that are trending right now. Look for items that are eye-catching, solve a problem, and are under $30. Bonus points if they're lightweight and easy to ship. Step 4. Set up your store for free. Yes, free. You don't need to pay $29 a month for Shopify. Not yet. Here's how to get started with $0. Use Equid Free Plan, lets you list up to 5 products and create a simple store. Or use PayHip, 100% free with no monthly fees, great for testing products. Want a mobile-first store? Use Big Cartel's free plan, super clean and beginner-friendly. Customize your store using Canva for banners and logos. It's free and super easy to use. Step 5. Find a supplier you can trust. Forget the 60-day shipping from China. In 2025, speed matters. Use platforms like Temu. Yes, you can drop ship from Temu. CDJ Dropshipping. They have faster shipping in local warehouses. Zendrop, free plan. Reliable and beginner-friendly. Message suppliers first. Test how fast they respond, because if they ghost you, they'll ghost your customers too. Step 6. Promote your products without spending a dime. Here's where most people mess up. They wait for traffic. Instead, go get it. Use TikTok Organic. Make short videos of your product in action. Use trending sounds and hashtags. Don't show your face? No problem. Film hands only or use Canva or CapCut stock clips. Use Instagram Reels and Pinterest. Post 3 to 5 times a day with simple product clips. Add a call to action like shop now or link in bio. If your video gets traction, you'll see orders, even with 0 followers. Step 7. Keep it simple and stay consistent. Don't try to launch 10 products at once. Start with 1. Test, learn, and improve. Track what works. Double down on content that brings traffic. And remember, the first few weeks might feel slow. That's normal. Success in dropshipping is about consistency, not luck. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need thousands of dollars. You just need a product, a store, and a little creativity. Start small, keep pushing, and give yourself permission to grow. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. This is the Budget Plug, where we help you earn more, save smarter, and build a life you don't need to escape from.